All right, let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's probably the biggest thing happening in tech right now, and it raises a huge question. Is AI here to help us, or is it here to replace us? We're gonna cut through all the noise and get to what's really going on. Let's dive in. I mean, think about it. Have you noticed how AI is just everywhere all of a sudden? From the videos that pop up in your feed to the way your phone finishes your sentences, it's all powered by AI. It's not some far-off future concept anymore. It is right here, right now, in pretty much everything we do online. What are we actually talking about when we say AI? Let's get a super simple, clear definition locked in so we're all on the same page. You know, at its heart, artificial intelligence is really just about one thing: creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions, kind of like a human would. So they're not just following a strict set of commands, they're actually analyzing information and figuring out the best way to hit a goal. It's all about making machines, well, smart. And this isn't science fiction, I promise. You use this stuff all the time. You know when you're on YouTube and it serves up that perfect next video? That's AI. Or when you start typing in Google and it just knows what you're looking for? Yep, that's AI too. And of course, the big one, when you ask ChatGPT a random question and it spits out a whole essay, that is AI in its most obvious form. You might think AI is just for tech nerds, right? Well, nope. Turns out a whopping 75% of us are using AI every single day. 3 out of 4 people. And the crazy part is, most of the time, we don't even realize we're doing it. It's already a huge part of our lives. So that's the big question, isn't it? Why now? Why is AI suddenly taking over everything? Let's break down the real reasons behind this massive explosion in popularity. Honestly, it all boils down to something really, really simple. AI saves a ton of time, money, and effort. It can do things way faster, way cheaper, and with way less manual work than we ever could before. And when something offers that kind of advantage, well, everyone wants a piece of it. You've got students using it as a personal tutor to finally understand that tricky math problem. You've got doctors using AI to analyze medical scans and spot diseases earlier than the human eye ever could. And of course, businesses are using it to crunch massive amounts of data in just seconds. It's like a booster shot for every single industry. Some studies are showing that AI can boost efficiency at work by up to 40%. 40%! To put that in perspective, that's like turning a 5-day work week into a 3-day work week. That is an absolute game changer, and it's why every company on the planet is paying attention. This incredible efficiency brings us right to the heart of the matter. It's the big question that's on everyone's mind. Is this amazing new tool a helpful friend? Or is it a threat to our jobs? And you know what? The truth is, it's a bit of both. On one hand, the fear is totally valid. Some routine, predictable jobs, yeah, they're probably at risk. But on the other hand, there's this huge opportunity. Entirely new jobs are being created out of thin air. Jobs like AI trainer or data analyst that didn't even exist a few years ago. So the job market isn't just vanishing, it's changing, it's evolving. Which brings us to this quote, and I think it just hits the nail on the head. Maybe we're asking the wrong question. Maybe the real problem isn't the technology itself. Maybe the real challenge and the real opportunity is whether we're willing to adapt and learn new skills to work with it. We need to stop thinking in terms of human versus machine. The future is all about human with machine. So if you take away just one thing today, let it be this. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to augment us. It's here to take care of all the boring, repetitive, tedious stuff so that we can focus on the things that humans are amazing at: creativity, strategy, and big picture thinking. It's a tool to amplify it. So let's end on this final thought. The future doesn't just belong to AI. It belongs to the humans who learn to use it as a partner.